Welcome to this training video focusing on Snowflake Copilot. We will explore how this powerful, generative AI assistant seamlessly integrates into the Snowflake data cloud to streamline your data analysis and SQL generation using natural language drawing on information from the sources. Let's get started with the foundational concepts. Snowflake Copilot fundamentally changes how you interact with your data by utilizing natural language requests to enable data analysis from the very beginning stages right through to the end results. This advanced AI tool functions as an essential guidance assistant, particularly helping users to quickly answer key questions about how their data is properly structured and meticulously guiding them through the critical initial exploration phase of any new dataset they encounter. A primary function of this intelligent system is its ability to expertly generate, and subsequently refine, the necessary structured query language, or SQL, queries required to efficiently extract highly useful and specific information directly from your tables and views. Beyond generating code, Copilot also serves as a crucial educational resource, significantly helping users to improve their overall SQL fluency and deepen their understanding of specific, complex Snowflake features and proprietary functionalities. When users pose general questions regarding tasks or features, Copilot reliably returns well-grounded answers by actively accessing and expertly synthesizing relevant information found within the vast corpus of the official Snowflake documentation, ensuring reliable advice and accurate guidance is provided consistently to users. This robust functionality allows business users and developers alike to focus on outcomes rather than syntax, dramatically improving workflow efficiency and accelerating data-driven decision-making across the organization, thereby maximizing business impact substantially. This capability is integrated deeply into the user experience. This robust functionality allows business users and developers alike to focus on outcomes rather than syntax, dramatically improving workflow efficiency and accelerating data-driven decision-making across the organization, thereby maximizing business impact substantially. This robust functionality allows business users and developers alike to focus on outcomes rather than syntax, dramatically improving workflow efficiency and accelerating data-driven decision-making across the organization. This robust functionality allows business users and developers alike to focus on outcomes rather than syntax, dramatically improving workflow efficiency and accelerating data-driven decision-making across the organization. Snowflake Copilot's advanced functionality includes the seamless, autonomous generation of complex SQL queries, directly translating natural language questions that users input into precise, executable database code. Once an initial query is generated, Copilot possesses the sophisticated intelligence necessary to refine these queries dynamically, ensuring they accurately capture and extract highly specific or intricate, nuanced information that the user initially requested in plain text. A highly beneficial capability is the system's capacity to proactively review and improve your existing SQL code. This is done by intelligently recommending performance optimizations that adhere to Snowflake's best practices, potentially increasing query speed substantially. Furthermore, if you are working on legacy or complex code, Copilot can analyze your existing SQL statements and suggest targeted fixes for potential syntax errors or logical issues it detects, saving valuable developer time efficiently. For both new and seasoned data professionals, the tool offers unparalleled transparency. Users can submit any SQL statement and ask Copilot to explain the query in a clear, step-by-step breakdown. This transparency greatly enhances learning and understanding complex data manipulation logic, simplifying the transition to new coding patterns effectively. The ability to generate, optimize, and explain code within the secure environment is paramount. The ability to generate, optimize, and explain code within the secure environment is paramount. This robust feature set empowers all users to work confidently and productively with their data. The ability to generate, optimize, and explain code within the secure environment is paramount. This robust feature set empowers all users to work confidently and productively with their data. This robust feature set empowers all users to work confidently and productively with their data. This sequence diagram illustrates the key cycle of SQL generation, analysis, and refinement performed by Snowflake Copilot. The interaction initiates with the user's input, which can either be a natural language query or an existing SQL statement requiring expert optimization or detailed explanation. Snowflake Copilot, acting as the intelligent core processor, immediately performs internal analysis or code generation based on the type of request received. Following this analysis, the system enters a decision loop, a crucial technique for ensuring optimal performance when deploying and utilizing Snowflake Copilot involves the strategic creation and systematic use of thoughtfully designed curated views. Curated views are instrumental because they provide the complex large language model with a highly focused, logically filtered, and manageable subset of data, which dramatically increases both the precision of the generated SQL and the overall speed of the analytical process. It is a vital guideline, highly recommended for maximum performance benefit, to consistently use descriptive, unambiguous, and easy-to-understand names, not only for the views themselves but also for all the underlying columns they contain. These clear, explicit naming conventions are essential because they directly assist the underlying LLM in accurately and quickly interpreting the true business context and inherent meaning of the data, minimizing misinterpretations and ensuring relevance. This intentional clarity in naming is key to reliable semantic translation. Furthermore, although we will delve into customization more deeply later, the capacity to provide custom instructions to Copilot allows users to precisely guide the A.I.'s analytical focus during complex data exploration tasks, further refining the relevance and quality of the generated outputs and accelerating insight discovery significantly and effectively. This focus reduces ambiguity substantially. This diagram visually represents how leveraging curated views improves Snowflake Copilot's performance and accuracy. The foundation is the raw data tables, which often contain vast amounts of technical or complex schema details. By creating curated views, you effectively filter and focus this massive, complex data into a simplified, purpose-built subset that is immediately more relevant to business questions. These views are then overlaid with descriptive naming and clear semantic context. This refinement provides the focused, filtered subset of data, along with semantic clarity, directly to the Snowflake Copilot LLM. This focused input dramatically improves the quality of the LLM's reasoning, allowing it to achieve high precision when converting natural language requests into efficient SQL statements. The flow highlights that views act as a crucial layer of abstraction, enabling the AI to bypass unnecessary complexity and quickly understand the intended business meaning of the data. A particularly valuable, non-data querying feature of Snowflake Copilot is its built-in access to the vast and comprehensive official Snowflake documentation. This direct access transforms Copilot into an immediate, authoritative knowledge base, ready to answer general, conceptual questions accurately. This critical functionality allows the assistant to immediately respond to queries concerning foundational SQL syntax and provide detailed explanations of various complex Snowflake features, eliminating the need to search external documents. For example, if you are unsure of the correct format or logic, you can easily ask Copilot a detailed question such as, "How do I write a SQL join?" and receive a step-by-step explanation grounded in official documentation. Similarly, if you encounter a new component, you can inquire, "What is Snowpark Cortex?" and the Copilot will provide the necessary technical overview. This integrated utility is highly effective, not only for providing instantaneous support but also for significantly helping users across all skill levels to improve their SQL fluency and quickly grasp new, often complex, Snowflake functionality and its associated best practices efficiently, serving as a rapid and trustworthy learning assistant at the user's fingertips, ensuring quick and accurate information retrieval always. This capacity ensures that the learning curve for new features is substantially reduced, benefiting all data professionals significantly. This integrated utility is highly effective, not only for providing instantaneous support but also for significantly helping users across all skill levels to improve their SQL fluency and quickly grasp new, often complex, Snowflake functionality. This integrated utility is highly effective, not only for providing instantaneous support but also for significantly helping users across all skill levels to improve their SQL fluency and quickly grasp new, often complex, Snowflake functionality. This hierarchy diagram focuses on how Snowflake Copilot acts as a knowledge interface for Snowflake documentation. The process starts when a user asks a general conceptual question in natural language, perhaps about a function or syntax not directly related to their data. The Cortex LLM within Copilot recognizes this question type and immediately directs the query to access the vast corpus of Snowflake documentation. This documentation is treated as structured knowledge data. A sophisticated feature available to users is the ability to precisely define specific preferences and desired behaviors for Snowflake Copilot by meticulously setting custom instructions. These personalized instructions allow the user to control the tone, complexity, or focus of the A.I.'S responses, making the interaction highly personalized and relevant to their current analytical needs. The entire configuration process for these crucial instructions is conveniently managed through the dedicated Copilot menu interface, which is easily accessible located prominently at the top of the interaction panel. For these custom instructions to be successfully recognized and actively utilized by the system, the user must explicitly enable them by selecting and activating the Essential Enable for New Chats toggle switch located within the Custom Instructions window. The actual content of the instructions must be clearly entered into the designated text box using straightforward, unambiguous plain text English, ensuring the large language model can correctly interpret the specified behavioral rules. Once the user has finished inputting their detailed rules, selecting the Save button is the final required step, which immediately applies these newly configured custom instructions to all subsequent new chat conversations, ensuring consistency and adherence to the user's defined preferences. This capability ensures that the AI assistant operates optimally for individual user styles. This level of customization significantly enhances the user experience, making Copilot feel truly tailored to individual needs effectively. This capability ensures that the AI assistant operates optimally for individual user styles. This level of customization significantly enhances the user experience, making Copilot feel truly tailored to individual needs effectively. This capability ensures that the AI assistant operates optimally for individual user styles. This level of customization significantly enhances the user experience. This activity diagram illustrates the required sequence of steps for a user to successfully set up and activate custom instructions within Snowflake Copilot. The process begins with the user clicking to open the main Copilot menu, which then allows them to select the custom instructions option from the displayed list. In summary, Snowflake Copilot serves as a crucial, unified generative AI interface, meticulously designed to facilitate two primary functions for the user: seamless natural language to SQL data analysis, and highly efficient retrieval of accurate information from the official Snowflake documentation. The tool provides substantial value by excelling at dynamically generating, precisely refining, offering clear explanations for, and proactively optimizing complex SQL queries, all driven simply by the user's input in natural language, simplifying data interaction immensely. To ensure the fastest and most accurate performance during your analytical tasks, remember that performance can be significantly and reliably boosted by strategically setting up highly focused, well-structured, curated views over your massive raw data sets, providing essential context to the model. Following strict internal guidelines, it is paramount that you consistently use descriptive and truly easy-to-understand names for both these curated views and their corresponding columns. This clarity fundamentally helps the underlying large language model accurately interpret the necessary business context, drastically reducing ambiguity and enhancing precision substantially. Finally, remember that you can personalize the assistant's output and required behavior, such as tone or response format, by fully utilizing the powerful custom instructions feature for all your new chat conversations, ensuring a tailored experience always. This combination of strong AI capabilities and user control empowers all Snowflake users effectively. This focus on clear structure and user control makes Copilot an indispensable tool for analytics, democratizing data access substantially. This radar chart effectively summarizes the main benefits and core features delivered by Snowflake Copilot to the end user. The chart highlights the significant value derived from using well-structured curated views, demonstrating their paramount importance in boosting the A.I.S analytical accuracy and speed. Next, the ability to configure custom instructions shows the high degree of personalization and control users have over the agent's behavior. SQL optimization, which encompasses generating, refining, and fixing queries, is shown as a leading benefit, reflecting the agent's core function as a code assistant.